So in this very quick tutorial, we're going to discuss how you can change the frame rates of the project of which you have been working on the Davinci Resolve software. So all you need to do is just simply open the software on your device. And for example, this is the basic project on which I have been working. Currently, I don't know the FPS of which has been applied to it. Now, if I want to change the FPS for this project as per my convenience, all you need to do is to just simply hit the file option over the top left corner. You can see it's just right there. Just simply hit this, and here you can see this option of project settings, or it has the shortcut of Shift+9 as well. Just simply click over there. Now once you do that, you can see this option of playback frame rates. Currently it is set to 24, so you can change the frame rates as per your convenience, as per your requirements. If you want 60 fps, you can just simply write 60 over there and hit save, so the changes are going to be saved over the timeline. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.